Sup, boys and girls? Another trade recap coming for you today. So this was from last night, which is Monday, New York AM session. No news on this day, so it was kind of a little bit defensive, but we had a perfect position and we took it. We took this on my Alpha 100K account. I didn't take this on my Top Step accounts again because I'm trying to build trust with Mondays because I've been cooked many times on Mondays, so I'm building that trust. What do we see coming into the day? So we'll replay this to market open. So market opens and we displace to the upside. Now here we have Asia high and we have ATH right here, all-time highs. Cool. We have a clear draw on liquidity, or we have this London low, right? So I have my two draws marked out. Love coffee, bro. Love it. Displace out. Cool. All right, what do we see? The next candle, we form a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, awesome. Now we go on the 1 minute. I did fade a trade here. I'll show you here. So I faded this. So right here, we retapped into this 1 minute gap and it displaced out. Now, on this here, I did not take this first candle displacement here. So I didn't take this trade here. I know a lot of people would have, but I want a price to develop a little bit. If this ran without me, I'd wait for another retrace, all good. On this candle here, it printed higher and higher. I was like, damn, it's probably gonna run. So I just stayed out of the market. There was a 30-second inverse, but I just wasn't having a part of it. And what do? Patience plays off. We retrace into this 5-minute gap, which we'll see on this next candle. Retrace into the gap, tick. Yes, we inverse this, but you got to look on the higher time frame. Go on the 5-minute. What do we see? Tap into this 5-minute gap. Awesome. Now what do we have? A draw on liquidity up higher. Sweet. What do we leave? A 1 minute gap. Perfect. So we've got our conditions met, and now we wait for a IFEG and we enter when that happens. So I will skip this and we don't inverse on this candle. So I'm still not in the market here. I'm waiting. The next candle does nothing. At this point, I'm like, this could go either way here. So, and then we finally inverse on this candle. And we're looking pretty bullish, and ES at the time was displacing higher, and I was like, I'm in. So I entered here and stops at the body low or this candle low, and take profit was at Asia high. I did take partials at these highs here. So I took partials here. And why did I take partials? Because I wanted to take a partial profit out and go break even. So I took partials here. So we'll skip a little bit here into the trade. See, I don't want to skip too far. I always do it. We don't take profit yet. Okay, so we take profit here. I go break even stop on this trade. And we end up luckily running to our final TP. Beautiful trade. So this is a 1.58 RR trade. Very simple retracement continuation model. I teach this to all my students. If you're not trading this model, I don't know what you're doing. This is the most easiest model to learn. And it's just so simple. It's so simple. It takes out all the complexity of trading. You find a draw, retracement, inversion, displacement, bang, done. So this was my trade. I'll show you here. This was on my Alpha account from last night. You see the trade right here. I took a screenshot and yeah, everything was posted in my Discord about looking at Asia highs and ATH, looking for longs. So my students took this exact same trade and we posted in the group chat and everyone took the same trade. So that's really positive signs for the students and yeah, going well, bro. So happy days on a Monday. It's good to be up on a Monday. Yeah, if you didn't take this long, you're cooked. So yeah, anyway, join the free Discord. Very fast growing Australian community, and learn how to trade with us, and let's make some money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.